good with y'all. You ever locked in with a client real quick the first time they book you? This my boo right here. Let me tell y'all a little story time, okay? But one time I went out of town to do hair or whatever, and he pulled up and got his hair done, and then he was just like, I'm your ambassador, and like, you my stylist from now on. When I tell you he won't let a bitch touch his wig, it's coming to Crystal LaShawn. Don't motherfucking play with him. Now y'all know I gotta go in with it don't move lace adhesive. Why? Because it's waterproof, it's sweatproof, and it smell like strawberries. Now, Miss Ma'am, I'm gonna need you to put that motherfucking phone down so I can put this wig on. I don't know why the fuck they added all this lace on the front of this goddamn wig, but y'all know they got to do the most. Go on my blow dryer or whatever, and y'all know I got to play burn your clients. It's just a must I do my big one, and then we're gonna take that motherfucking hot comb and push everything to the back. I feel like the reason me and him click so much is because we both love a little mess. You know what I'm saying? Like, we don't like drama, but we like mess. And don't sit here and act like you bitches don't be talking about people, because everybody talk about people. We just don't overdo it, okay? But if we see some tea on Facebook, we gonna talk about it. Now, y'all see how white this motherfucking lace is. I don't even know how the fuck I melted this motherfucker, but I chewed that shit up real quick. And when I say chewed, I mean ate the fuck down. Of course I gotta put him in the motherfucking chokehold. I don't give a fuck if you a girl, boy, tranny. It don't motherfucking matter. You're getting choked the fuck out over here. Then I go in my stick and stay melting spray and use that fat ass band and pop them in the air fryer. I got to do that, because when they come out, they look like this. And we ain't gonna do too much in the comments about my boo, because he eats a lot of you bitches up. Face just clear, skin so pretty. Eyebrows tea, everything just tea. Don't play with him. He is not one of them. I know I don't play about my clients. When it comes to an install, I'm gonna eat that up. Anyway, you can't even tell me this lace with this motherfucker